This is Jenna with Keyless Entry Remote. I am here to show you how to replace a key fob battery. The key fob I'm showing you today is compatible with a 1999 to a 2003 Chrysler Town & Country. The part number, which is located on the back, reads 04686481AC. To open the key fob, all you need is a screwdriver. On the bottom side of the key fob is a little slit where you just place the screwdriver in and give it a twist. The battery for this key fob is CR2016. To replace it, just place it back in. Make sure that the plus side is up as directed on the key fob, and then snap it back together. If you need to order a replacement battery or an actual key fob remote, visit us online at keylessentryremotefob.com or call us at 402-671-5100.